And now if we following the pattern, now it has to be blue and then it's yellow, and now this will not be color, just like this. Okay, and now same pattern, first blue, yellow, and this gray color, just like this. Okay, and now we're going to repeat these things from the whole area, just like it. Okay, and now let's just keep doing this. First blue, 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 and blue, and now it's yellow here, here, and here, and also here. Okay, don't worry, it's 1 2 3 pattern here, so that's why it's gonna be red, blue, yellow. And otherwise in the other pattern will be the same process as we done previous. Just like this, and also here. Okay, so it's almost done. Let's keep doing this. Red blue pattern, just like this. Also here red blue, and here. Okay, and now yellow, again yellow, and now the rest of this gray color. Okay, so it's kinda looking nice, and let's keep doing the whole process. So first of all, we're going to draw the line with this green color, because we are missing some greenish vibe in our drawing. That's why we are using green color with a round circle. Be careful when you are drawing, just make sure you don't go outside of the draw line, because this drawing is super critical, because every single part is detailing. As you can see, if you mess up with one of the detail, and you can ruin your whole drawing. So be careful when you are drawing this kind of pattern. Just normally keep calm and just do your things, then it will be okay. Don't hurry, because if you hurry, you can ruin it drawing. Okay, so make sure you keep calm and draw your drawing. Okay, so I think this is it for today's video, and I'll show you in the next part. Okay, oh sorry, so see you in the next part.